In this video, we'll look at retrieving a row of data from the database. In this little program, data is retrieved and displayed to the output. If we take a look at the 4GL source, we can see that we're connecting to a data source called cusDemo. As we learned in the connecting to a database video, cusDemo is resolved in this example by being configured in the FGL profile runtime configuration file. So here we see the entries for the cusDemo named data source. And here we also have a couple of other data sources configured that we can access. And again, this is in the FGL profile runtime configuration file. So we've made a connection to the database. The next thing we're doing is calling a function, and we're passing in a bit of information. We're passing in the number 101. That function then receives that information, and then we're going to go ahead and select the store name and the phone columns into our variables that we've set, and we're going to return whatever comes back to our calling function. So we've implemented a simple select statement from the customer table, and we're returning that back to the calling function and simply displaying the information. Now if we run that, we see Bandy's hardware listed there. Now if we come in and change the information passed, of course our select statement changes because we are now selecting store number 103, and when we execute that, we see there Hill's Hobby Shop instead of Bandy's hardware. So again, in this example, we're simply have written a select statement that retrieves a piece of data or two pieces of data in this example from a table. So it's a simple select statement, and we're retrieving that directly into a variable or set of variables and displaying those variables. The next thing we'll need to do is to manage multiple rows. So when we execute a select statement, we'll need to be able to manage a result set that includes more than one row, and also, of course, display that data to a form instead of to the output here.